Guys, Kearstyn here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's one of our newest used vehicles. This is a 2020 Dodge Durango RT, so let's take a peek. At the front of the vehicle, it has the color matching bumper with your built-in park sensors. You have your fog lights down below, LED headlights, you have all of your blacked out grille inserts, the SRT hood, and then underneath the hood is the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Side of the vehicle, you have your 20-inch black rims, you have your blacked out mirrors that are also heated and have the blind spot monitoring, and then you have your color matching door handle with proximity entry. So with the key in your pocket, you grab the handle from behind and it'll unlock, or you press the button on the outside and it's going to lock. But we'll check out the back. At the back of the vehicle, you have your color match bumper with your built-in tow hooks. You have your dual exhaust on this one. You have all of your blacked out badging on it. It has the automatic lift gate, or the power lift gate I should say. Underneath you have storage in the back here, and then you have your third row seating, which is super easy to fold down. You just grab this handle and then give the seat a push, and they fold down nice and flat, giving you tons of space back here. Side of the Durango, you have really nice leather heated and cooled seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. You have tons of storage in your center console here. You also have a 12-volt plug-in and a DVD player. This one has the 8.4-inch touchscreen with your navigation. This is also where you control all of your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You do have the headrest fold button for the very, very back row. And then you can access your backup camera from here as well. And then if you don't like the screen on at night, you can just turn the screen off. That way it's not super bright in your face, and then you can just touch it to wake it back up. This vehicle also comes with your dual climate control, your park sensors that you can turn on and off, your lane keep assist, your eco mode, your sport mode, and your traction control. And then moving over to the left here, it has the push button start, your built-in trailer brake controller. This one has your cruise control settings on the right, your cluster settings and your Bluetooth settings on the left, and then your paddle shift and your audio controls on the back. This one also comes with your adaptive cruise control. And then this one has your power moving mirrors. It also has your automatic headlight control, as well as all of your light controls for inside, your cabin light controls. This one also has your two-stage memory driver seat. You can open your hatch from the inside here, and then you have the full sunroof here. And then this one also comes with your universal garage door opener built right in, but we'll check out the back seat. Back seat here, you have the really nice leather heated seats in the back. You do have the captain seat, so it makes it super easy to access into your third row. Your heated seat controls are just right down here. You have lots of storage in the back of the front seats, and then really cool to entertain your kids on those long road trips, you do have dual screens right there. You have your rear climate control in this vehicle as well, so if your kids are cold and you're hot, you can control the climate separately. Your couple lights back here, and then these seats fold down really easily. I'll show you here. It's a matter of just one lever here, and then if you want to flip this seat up to get into your back seat, so if your kids are going to get into that back seat, you just grab this red handle here, it flips up and they can get in. All of our used vehicles here go through a full AMVIC inspection from our journeyman technician. If you're interested in 30+ pictures and pricing of this vehicle, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629. And then to close the trunk, it is a button on the inside here, so you press it. Are you kidding me? Your power adjustable pedals. No, it doesn't. Motherfucker.